Moving on, we've got USD Swiss, USD Yen, and USD CAD. On the daily time frame on USD Swiss, we can see our break of structure with our swing high and our swing low. We've liquidated this high, which is a major high in this overall impulse in towards the downside. So we should now be ready to sell off after breaking the demand chain, creating a nice area of supply, which we were looking for shorts last week. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this switch bearish happened over here with a break of structure in towards the downside. So this is our that was our swing high, and then we had another break of structure here. So this is our new swing high, and this is our swing low. As you can see, there's no clear points of liquidity within this overall move. However, if you do go down onto the 1-hour time frame, price action has been moving relatively clean. As you can see, we've had a break of structure over here, another break of structure over here, and another break of structure over here. So this is currently our swing high, and this is currently our swing low. This morning we have liquidated this high, and this has initiated a nice sell-off in towards the downside. I am still expecting this to come down and take out the weak swing low, and hopefully start targeting the weak swing low on the daily time frame. So what I'll be looking for is just any scaling opportunities, a break of that high, a break of that low, sorry, come back up, liquidate a high before then selling off again in towards the downside. If we go on to USD Yen, I'm still not touching this pair. As you can see, this price action is not nice. It's not something I'm actively looking to trade. We have started forming somewhat of a trend on the lower time frame. However, just the risk of intervention at the moment, I just don't want to burn my hands with a pair like this. So if we finally move on to USD CAD, we can see on the daily time frame our break of structure with our swing high and our swing low. We've liquidated this high, which is a major high within this overall impulse in towards the downside. As you can see, this started a nice big sell-off in towards the downside. On the 4-hour time frame, we recognize that we are technically bullish. However, this strong supply chain has just relentlessly been pushing price in towards the downside. If we go on to the 1-hour time frame, we can see our most recent break of structure is this low here. So this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. As you can see, last week a lot of the dollar pairs gained strength against the dollar, but USD CAD failed. We had some poor news on Friday, and also the CAD is linked relatively to the oil prices, and oil prices have obviously been taking a hit since the peace deal talks. As you can see, we have liquidated the highest point of liquidity within this overall impulse. If we do break this low, we could then look at targeting the swing low